In this video, we will see how to do a violet/purple ombre. Of course, prep the hair with pre-treatment to minimize damage. Here you can see me using a coloring board, which is very useful for ombre procedure. I'm using foil to apply ombre closer to her fringe area so that the bleaching solution is not touching our client's face. After applying on both sides, I am applying in the nape area. You can see me using freestyle balayage to create ombre blending lines and piling on bleaching solution, and then using color board to apply generous amount of bleach towards the ends of her hair. As the area is getting wider towards the middle section, I am using 3 smaller sections to separate panels to apply ombre. Here you can see close up how I am applying balayage freehand technique to create blending lines for the ombre, and I'm using coloring board to apply generous amounts towards the ends of her hair. Wrapping up hair can speed up bleaching process. Here we've applied a little bit of heat to speed up the bleaching process because our client was on a time schedule. I had to give a haircut to this other client that you can see here, so we didn't really record the coloring process. Essentially what we did was apply purple-violet colorant on all the areas that were bleached. Here you can see me doing cross-checking to make sure that all the areas that were bleached had colorant on it. Normally when a client comes in for an ombre, I would actually apply colorant from roots to the ends so that we can create seamless tone of the same color, just brighter on the areas that are bleached for the ombre. But our client was unique because she did not want to come in regularly for a root touch-up, so we actually left all the areas that are not bleached as natural hair. We used purple shampoo to shampoo her hair, then we started drying her hair. Applying some creamy type hair essence before blow drying can maximize shine. When the hair is wet like this, you're gonna wanna let your clients know that the actual color results will become obvious once we completely dry hair. Here you can see me drying her roots first and then drying her ends. This month we had a lot of trouble with water pipe situation, that's why the floor is a little bit wet. But since she's a regular client with whom I have a lot of good rapport, she was quite understanding. Giving her a light blow dry, which is perfect for smoothing the cuticles after bleaching procedure, which can tend to make hair become frizzy. And this is something that I've already told our client in advance. You're gonna wanna manage your client's expectations before starting procedures and also communicate with them throughout the process as to what's going on, and be sure to answer any questions that they might have. After blow drying her hair, I applied a little bit of oil essence to give that extra shine, especially on the ends. Here you can see me explaining to our client how to take care of her hair at home so it can stay stylish and colorful. And now let's look at the color results together.